Hi guys.
Hello guys, I'm here with my daughter and we are looking at this Playmobil advent calendar. So it's number 9 today, so let's open number 9 and see what's inside door number 9. If my daughter can open it. There was a woman inside it. A woman. Yeah, so it was a woman that runs this horse school. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.